This game is called Still the Gold for 3rd through 5th grade. Equipment that you would like to use would be hula hoops, cones, poly spots. For ball wise, you could use soccer balls, gator balls, just any athletic ball that you would like to use that would be good for a soccer unit. The skills are going to be dribbling and trapping. So skill cue wise, we'll be going over when we're dribbling, make sure you're keeping the ball between the shoulders. That would be ideal, using the inside of the foot, and you're doing small taps with the inside of your foot. You want to keep your eyes up where you're going so you know what's around you and you're aware of the people around you and objects. Control the ball, and when you're trapping, you want to put your toe on top of the ball. We are not squishing the ball, we're just keeping the toe and making sure we're keeping control of it. Game setup is going to be poly spots or hula hoop in the middle for every single ball in the middle, and then at each station we're going to have teams of 3. So we'll have a hula hoop right here for your team, and that'll be for each team. You can do this differently depending on students. And the objective of the game is going one person at a time leaves to go get a ball. They bring the ball back, trap it inside of the hula hoop after they dribbled back, and this is at a walk. Demonstration right here. This student gets the ball, dribbles it back at a walk, and keeping control of it, trapping it inside. They bring it back, the next student goes. After all 3 have went in your group and every ball is out from the middle, that's game over for the first game. And then you can go to start over again, do the same thing, bring the ball all the way back to your hula hoop, and once all gator balls and soccer balls are out from the middle, now you can go steal from other hula hoops. No defense is allowed in this. It's just simply working on dribbling and trapping. So now you can go steal from the hula hoops. And even if you wanted to change that up, you can make it where you cannot steal from your neighbor. So if I'm right here, I cannot go steal from my left or my right. I must go across the court, which is creating a greater challenge because you're having to dribble the ball at a greater distance. Management-wise, have the student sit in front of you, have all eyes on you when you're talking and demonstrating. You could use the whistle for cadence, when to start or stop, considering it is loud and gets attention pretty easily. Talk spatial awareness with the ball in this game so people are not running into each other. That's why we try to use walking for this game when you're doing this. All equipment set up before the class is in there because demonstrating can take a minute, and you want to make sure you're getting as many repetition in this game as you can. Students cleaning up, that's big because this game uses a lot of soccer balls and gator balls for this and a lot of hula hoops. So have students clean up their own area and have a place for them to put back all the equipment, and explaining the rules. Make sure rules are explained thoroughly so the students do not have to ask many questions, and we can go ahead and jump right into the game.